045 EPDM rubber roofing. Made in the USA. 045. Made in the USA. Esther, Patrick, Daniel, Mary. EPDM is what this is. It's Friday. We got to finish this thing today. Heading home Saturday morning. What you need, buddy? Oh, he is. He is. Let her dry. Definitely won't dry folded.
No.
Any lakes around?
Can you tell a pond but it dried up? Can you tell a pond but it dried up?
I'm gonna have to nail back here, but
Okay.
Swing it. Five or six, 8 times. Then push it down, drop it down. Oh yeah. You got air there. You got air. You're good. Hold it down. Plenty of air. Plenty of air. That's beautiful, Chris. Look at that bubble under that thing. Of course the vent's not helping us, but normally that vent wasn't there. That should float like it's on air, because it is. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'll help him. Next time I'll help him hold it up while he flaps it.
I'll do my job.
Huh?
Do my job.
Gotcha. Don't pull it that way. Keep it back to you. Floaty. As long as that air stays under there, beautiful. Yeah, don't pull it forward. You're going to pull it back. Just straight up and down is how you do it. She'll float on a thing of air.
Alright.
Isn't that beautiful? A little easier, right? When it's floating. It's hard to drag. Uh-oh, we're gonna need another bucket. Oh, you got it already? slide better with a little air under there, Bert? Either way, Bert's like, it's fucking hot.
Definitely just with the pipes and stuff.
Yeah, they can be a pain. But I agree with you, though. It could have been cut in half.
Yeah.
Could have been 20, 40, and then, you know, a 30-foot piece. Been fine. It's all right.
Yeah, we could have cut it from there to
Uh-huh.
seam in the middle of this one and seam in the middle of that one.
Yep. That would have been fine, too. You know, next time, that's what we'll probably end up doing. It'll be easier. I wish I'd have been more help on this damn job. I swear I do.
You were plenty of help. You went and got us lunch.
Yeah.
And
Stay the hell out of your way.
went and got us material.
Huh?
What I tell you this morning? Stay in the truck, stay
Yep, that's what you said. That is what you said.
Got him to smile first thing in the morning. Miserable as he was.
I was miserable. Pain, son. Pain. That's what you call that. Yesterday was worse. The purpose of the cleaner, the weathered membrane cleaner, is this right here. That is only a temporary product, and that temporary product is basically talcum powder, and it's there so that, just like what you see us doing down there, it will slide on itself. Because if they roll this stuff up and never put it into any extreme heat, it would probably just melt together and stick together. But this talcum powder they put on this stuff is amazing. Helps in so many ways that you don't even know about until you start doing it. And you realize, oh, that's why they put that there. Uh-oh, can sliding. Oh, it stopped.
Oh yeah.
Had me scared for a second. Thought it was gonna come on down. Yep, there it goes again. The price is right. Come on down. So that's why Paul's cleaning that thing 2 or 3 times. I mean, you want to get all that crap off of there because you're getting ready to stick. As we can make it today, guys. Too hot. Too freaking hot. We'll make tomorrow the day. Tomorrow will be the day for the reveal on this beautiful thing in Pennsylvania. And that's something beautiful. It's going to be amazing when we finish this thing. And we'll be back because he's going to have at least 1 or 2 neighbors that are a little bit jealous of this roof, for sure.